Eyton, Shalom. I am back with my breakfast cookie recipe. This is a walnut pumpkin seed breakfast cookie, and there's been a slight change of plans. I have finished grinding up the walnuts. As you can see in my Epica grinder, the walnuts don't get ground to a powder, but it becomes like a paste. That's actually not a whole walnut, that's a paste. Walnuts are very high in oil, and they're very soft. But then there's going to be a bunch of chunks of walnut, which is perfectly fine. But that's exactly why I'm going to add some rice powder, as we talked about. So once again, that's 3/4 of a cup of walnut. That is 1 tablespoon of pumpkin seed. That is 2 teaspoons of golden raisin, 2 teaspoons of goji berry, slightly less than a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 stevia in the raw packet, which I'm going to add now. I mentioned, sorry, I didn't finish. Change of plan. I'm not going to use cinnamon, actually, because I really love the flavor of anise seed with walnut. The very first cookie I ever made was from a cookbook called Victory Through Vegetables, when I became a vegetarian when I was 17. And there was a recipe for walnut cookie, which was walnut, sweetener, and oil with some anise seed. And I just remember how fantastic those came out. And in those days, we didn't have,